10 detailed benefits of an apple. Rich in fiber. Apples are high in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber called pectin, which helps regulate digestion, supports gut health, and can prevent constipation. Supports heart health. The soluble fiber in apples helps lower blood cholesterol levels. Apples also reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Aids in weight loss. Eating an apple before a meal can help reduce overall calorie intake. Regulates blood sugar levels. Despite being sweet, apples have a low glycemic index, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar, making them a smart fruit choice for people with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants. These help protect your cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. Boosts immunity. Apples contain vitamin C, which is known to enhance the immune system. Good for brain health. The antioxidants in apples, especially quercetin, have been shown to reduce oxidative stress in brain cells, promotes healthy skin. Vitamin C helps keep your skin firm and youthful. Apples also help flush out toxins that can affect skin health. May help prevent cancer, help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, and lung cancer, due to their anti-inflammatory and anti-mutagenic properties. Supports dental health. Eating apples stimulates the production of saliva, helps reduce the risk of tooth decay. The texture of apples can also help scrub your teeth as you chew.